Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Tony in Louisiana on the Ranger RCI 99N4. Tony, get it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug, 25 watts just in case you decide to run an amp. Say a 16 pillar bigger, you got full adjustability. 125 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low, over 200 bird. 500 watt slug PEP. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 audio check. 500 in the corner. Let's roll the RF power all the way down. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have full adjustability and full swing from any carrier. Alright, Tony. We're going to get this out the door as well as your static 636 mic. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bye-bye.